Hello everyone, welcome to day 64. Today is August 22nd, 2018, and today we're going to start off with a package. And here it is. Coldplay Milo. I don't know how to say it, but it's this one. Yay. Yeah, I got this guy. I was missing this, and now I'm missing Head Full of Dreams and Kaleidoscope EP and other small stuff, but those two are the ones I'm looking for now. Almost done with Coldplay a bit. Woo. Boop. Oh gosh, that's satisfying. I remember seeing this at what was it? Jive Time. I thought I finally found it, but then inside of it I found out it was the Maroon 5 album. And then this is the cover art I was looking at when I looked at this album. I didn't know, I think they're reversible, which is cool, actually. Such a nice insert with just nice pics. Sadly, no lyrics, which I like an insert with lyrics. And yeah, it's made to be reversible so that it can go like this. And I think I will actually keep it like that. That's more satisfying to me. Okay. It's later, and today we're actually going to drop off my sister to tennis practice, and then across from the tennis practice is a Goodwill, which we'll check out. Ooh. That right there is a cassette player, which is awesome. I've been looking for one for a while, and I found the perfect one basically for me. Yeah, yeah. Hey guys, it's the end of the night, and yeah, today was a pretty good day for finds and stuff. Getting the Coldplay CD, and then finding a cassette player was awesome. That was it. Yep, tune in tomorrow.